In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully export your data from QuickBooks in CSV format using Chrome and then transfer it into Zoho Books. This is a practical process, especially if you're looking to switch accounting software and want to ensure the continuity and availability of all your vital financial data. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to open Google Chrome and navigate to your QuickBooks account. Make sure you are logged in with the correct credentials. Once inside, you'll want to locate the specific data you wish to export. Typically, this can be accessed from the dashboard, where you can choose the reports or lists you want to export. QuickBooks allows you the flexibility to export various types of data, whether it's customer lists, vendor information, or even detailed transaction histories. Once you've selected your desired data, proceed to export it in CSV format. CSV, short for comma-separated values, is a widely used data format that can seamlessly integrate with multiple applications, making it ideal for this migration process. After successfully exporting your files, it's time to switch over to Zoho Books. If you're not already logged in, do so now. Once inside Zoho Books, head over to the Settings section, usually easily recognizable by the gear icon. Within the Settings menu, you'll find the Data Migration option. This is your next stop. The Data Migration page is set up to facilitate the smooth transition of data from different platforms into Zoho Books. Here, you can specify QuickBooks as your source platform. Zoho Books provides streamlined support for data exported from QuickBooks, which is a huge plus as it simplifies the mapping phase of the process. Now it's time to upload your exported CSV files. Ensure that the files you select are the ones you intended to migrate. Once the files are uploaded, the crucial part is mapping your data fields correctly. Mapping the fields correctly ensures that the data from your QuickBooks files lands into the appropriate sections within Zoho Books. This part of the process is often the most detailed, so take your time making sure customer names, transaction amounts, dates, and any other specifics align correctly with Zoho's data fields. Before proceeding further, Zoho Books will present a data preview. This step is vital because it allows you to verify that everything looks just as it should. Look over the data carefully. If anything appears out of place, this is the time to correct it. Once you're satisfied that the preview matches your expectations, go ahead and start the migration process. After the migration is complete, it's crucial to thoroughly review and confirm the accuracy of your data. Navigate through your Zoho Books dashboard and check various entries to ensure everything imported correctly. This step is pivotal to confirm that the transition has been completed successfully without any loss or corruption of your essential financial data. And that's it. By carefully following these steps, you can seamlessly transfer your financial data from QuickBooks to Zoho Books, ensuring your business continues to run smoothly with minimal disruption.